let me show you a quick unboxing of POCO M8 5G. I'm gonna show you what accessories can we find inside and how the phone looks like. So let's get right into it. We're gonna just straight up open it. Let's put this to the side for a second. And over here we have our phone. So let's try to do this instead. Now I picked this light blue color, or a mint color, I guess you can call it like that. I'm sure they have their own name for that, but I'm not gonna go deep into that. And let's take a look at all of these accessories. Let me try to remove this paper box that we have over here. It might be slightly difficult to actually take it out. I don't want to really ruin it immediately, but there we go. We should be able to take it out soon, hopefully. All right, here we go. We have our paper box, and in this paper box at the back of it we have the SIM eject tool that of course we can use in order to eject the SIM tray from the phone. And once we open it, we have our accessories. So nothing really unusual for a POCO or Xiaomi at least. So as you can see, we have the USB cable. It is USB-A to USB-C, standard for POCO and Xiaomi still. So nothing out of the order. We got some papers, of course, like the quick start guide, the safety information, and the additional information about the energy and the IP rating and so on and so forth. So if you are wondering what is the IP rating, over here I guess we have the answer. Besides that, we have the protective case. There we go. We have a simple silicone protective case. It looks like this. And of course you can use it temporarily if you want to, or just you can keep it as you wish to. If you want to replace it with something better, then of course feel free to do so. And there we go. Alright, so let me just put this aside for a second, and let's take a look at the phone. Thankfully we can easily take out the phone from here. We have some information about the phone here on this front as well, and there we go. This is how the phone looks like. We have two camera lenses, I believe, or is it just one? I'm not sure. Yeah, it looks like we have two camera lenses. Yeah, so I just verified that with the Xiaomi website, and indeed we have two cameras in here. We have the 50 megapixel main camera and 2 megapixel depth camera. And there's also the flashlight, and I'm not sure what this is. This might be the IR blaster over here. At least it might look like it. I'll have to verify that as well. Now here on the right side we have volume buttons and the power button. We also have curved displays. As you can see, the display is not completely flat. It has curves on the sides. Besides that, if we take a look at the top, we can find I believe the IR blaster over here and the microphone, as well as speakers. There is nothing on the left side of the phone. And here we also have the USB-C port, the speakers, of course, the microphone, and the SIM tray that we can remove. And that is essentially it. Subscribe to my channel.